Hello and welcome back. Now tonight we're going to be changing over the headlights in the Nova to some LED, stock looking LEDs. Now what we're doing is we're wanting to keep a stock appearance so the housing looks extremely stock, but of course when you turn on the headlights they are LEDs and you get a much better field of range. Now the reason why I'm upgrading LEDs in this is because number one, seeing is important. Number two, the gentleman that owns this car is somewhat night blind and the LED lights actually help him see better. Now there's a lot of people that say that LEDs aren't as good as the old style bulbs, but honestly, even if the beam doesn't travel any further, it's a fact of the coverage, how much more in that area you can see. But also what a lot of people don't realize is with LEDs, if you have a street sign, the old style bulbs, you don't really see the reflection off the street sign and see it coming. LEDs, you can see the reflection off the street sign a long ways away. Same thing with bike reflectors and all that. So it's a lot safer. And also just the fact that you can actually see more is a huge improvement. So I'm going to show you before and after. And this will be the final upgrade on our Nova. Alright, now here they are. You can see that somewhat looks like a stock appearing headlight, so that's good. Again, the ones I usually get are the brighter ones with a little fan on the back, connector. I'll let you see that. Now you can go to Octane and find these. And they have a bunch of other ones. And obviously, I've used them a lot over the years and on vehicles due to the fact that they just work well. And 90% of the time they are truly 100%, or 90% of the time they are truly plug and play. Which is a great advantage knowing that I can order a set of lights and plug and play and be done. Alright, now there you have it. The headlights went in pretty easy. Now, I'm not going to say these are going to be 100% plug and play for everybody, because what I noticed is the headlight bucket has a hole in the back, and the radiator or the core support has a hole in the back as well. Now, if those line up pretty well, these headlights went in pretty alright. But if you got them that are lined up a little bit off, well, either going to try to make it fit in there right, or grind it out. And probably best to grind it out, that way you can adjust it a little bit more. Now, I got lucky and these went in pretty well, and they did pretty well on the road, looked pretty well adjusted. But with this style, you may have to grind out those holes just a little bit, make them bigger for these to fit in there real well. And we have room for the fan to breathe, so we're good. Now, for me, is an obvious night and day difference that these illuminated more of an area. Yes, you can see the beam and where it's traveling with the old style headlights, but this one, the LEDs, it lit up way more of the road. You could see more, which is important. The fact is, you can see more just makes it much safer. People can see you for sure, and makes much easier night driving experience, as I've explained how the LEDs reflective surfaces much better, making it safer for you and other people. So it's a good option. Now, hopefully this video proved helpful to you, and always, thanks for watching.